Hello again. In this tutorial, we are going to see the HTML links and how they are defined. So basically, what is HTML links? HTML links are defined with the tag A. Okay. If you want to link in your web page, you have to use the tag A, which is link your web page with the another website or any kind of another link. Take an example here. We have started a href. It's a reference, right? And moving forward, the address of your web page or the address of where you want to redirect your web page. Okay, and this is a link, and I have written already this is a link, and then a close. The link's destination is that specified in the href attribution, where in a href attribution it is like a reference, it is like a reference attribute, right? Now attributes are used to provide additional information about html elements. You will learn more about attributes in later with us. However, we are going to see the live example of this html links tag. So we have to do first thing, we have to do create a new file for this tutorial. Simply click on the next file, next text, new text file. So here we have to firstly save it. Always try to save the file first when you are doing any kind of a programming. I believe in this theory. However, you can do whatever you want to do. However, now we are going to do the tutorial for hyperlink or HTML links and images. So I'm going to write here HTML links, HTML links and images, and I'm going to save in a click here or directly click in a HTML. Or if you don't want, then just simply go all files, click here and click on a in the last of the your text, click dot, write dot html and click save. Now it is saved as a HTML5. As previously we have already created the HTML5. Now we have to start with the where exactly. We have to start with the doc type HTML, because it defines or it shows the web page how to work as a HTML file. It declares the web page. Okay, it represents the web page. Now moving forward, the basic coding, we will start with the HTML start, HTML close. Moving forward, head tag, which is most important here, head tag start, head tag close. I'm going to write a simple title for this, and that is going to write HTML links and images, HTML links and images. And then we are going to write here very beautiful code, which is body. Now body start, body close. In the body, we are going to write our elements and tags, right? So I'm going with the starting with the what? A tag, which is hyperlink tag or link tag, right? So it will start with the A, right? A, and then href, right? Take an example of remember, as it is a reference, it is taking a reference. When you will click on that link, it will redirect you to the selected link or respected link. So href, I'm going to write simple website name, address, which is www.google.com, right? And after this, we have to write what? We have to close it first, and then it is already done. However, I'm going to write a attributes also, and for this link, so I'm going to write this is a click me. Okay, I'm going to write very usable thing, usual text, which is click me. Okay, click me. And now it is going to be work as it is. So first thing first, always remember to save your file first, and then we will go to HTML basic, your folder, and click on a HTML links and images. Click here, and now you can see it is showing click me text. Click me text. As you can see, when I hover my mouse on the text, it becomes a hand, right? It becomes it converted from arrow to the cursor from a hand. So if I click here, it will redirect me in a where it is where in a website. However, it will sometime not going to work as it is. So we have to add few more lines, which is like HTTPS hypertext transfer protocol, which is in a secured channel. And now do times backslash, which is must here. I'm going to save it again. Now moving forward, we will refresh the website and click here again. Now you will see it is showing our website, which I have redirected from here. As you can see, I am already on a google.com and it is celebrating Italy, I guess. So moving forward, this code is working fine. Now I'm going to use here a new tag, a new element, which is very unique, because most of the website using images to show creativity, which is what? Image tag. Image tag. So how image tag is going to work? Image tag is going to work in a some different value or attributes. So first we have to know how image tag is going to work. So basically image tag defines with the img tag. But this is not simple. You can't just directly define it with the everything. So you have to remember the source file, the src, alternative text if it is important, the width and the height which you want to provide. Otherwise it will go as it is. It will go with the same size of the photograph or same size of the image you want to tag in a web page. So you have to remember all the attributes for best optimal output. So I'm going to here in my web page click on img, right? Image tag. It is very simple. Img src. Src is like a source file where the images are stored, right? Sometime it should be in a for me, for I guess for you guys, it should be stored in the same file or same folder. So I have already one image here. It is in a png format. Okay, it shows html image and it is stored in the same file. It is it is in a same folder, which is html, and it is in a same folder. It is very easy to remember or to link the file with the web page, with the html page. So I have already pasted it here. Now you have to remember the source where the images are stored. आपकी जो इमेज है वो कहाँ पे stored है, आपको हमेशा याद रखना पड़ेगा. So it is stored in a c/user patel documents html tools html basics and the image file, the name of the image html.png. So you have to remember also the extension of the image. आपको png, jpeg, jpg, gif एंड सो ऑन का एक्सटेंशन भी याद रखना पड़ेगा ताकि आप अपने वेब पेज में से डाल सको. सो वी आर गोइंग टू पुट इट हेयर इमेज src, एंड बिकॉज इट इज ऑलरेडी, बिकॉज द इमेज जो है वो ऑलरेडी मेरे सेम ही फोल्डर में है, सो इट विल डायरेक्टली कनेक्ट विद अस. सो यू कैन डायरेक्टली कनेक्ट विद इट. आप डायरेक्टली उसे कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. टेक एन एग्जांपल हेयर. our file name was html dot, what is the type of our file? PNG. Simply click html dot png. Now it is connected. बट सम टाइम जब इंटरनेट स्लो होता है या इंटरनेट नॉर्मल भी चलता है तो आपको हमेशा इसका अल्टरनेटिव देना पड़ता है. सम टाइम इट इज नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट कि आप बस इमेज दो. सम टाइम यू हैव टू डू द अल्टरनेटिव टेक्स्ट ऑल्सो कि ये जो इमेज आपने डाला है ये किस चीज के बारे में है. सो आई एम गोइंग टू राइट हियर alt which is defining that thing. So I'm going to write here simple image of HTML file, right? Because it was an image of HTML file. Now if you want then अगर आप चाहते हैं then just simply provide the size, the resolution, the size of a image. Width, first go to width. I'm going to write a 128 and then I'm going to write height. उसकी height और width आपको दोनों डालनी पड़ेगी. I'm going with the same 128 by 128 and in the last we are going to close this. Always remember the image tag, the image element is never ever going to be closed. ये क्लोज नहीं किया जाता है. अगर आप एक बार यहाँ पर अपने जैसा कि आप देख रहे हो मैंने इमेज टैग स्टार्ट किया एंड आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू राइट लाइक img or something like this. It is wrong. It is not right. इमेज टैग को क्लोज करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है. So I am going to write one more thing here which is center. So it will make everything, every text and images are in a center. Because I have written center top in the top of the body, I have to close somewhere here also. Let me check. Pardon, it should be RE, right? So center. Now you have to simply refresh the file. Now you can see we have click me button also, and after that we have a HTML file also. So this is how you can see your HTML file which was here, HTML photo which was here is now directly connected with the your web page. So this is how you can simply connect your images through the web page, through the HTML file. So it was very easy. Sometimes you have to give the everything, every source file. Always remember, हमेशा याद रखिए, an image element represents a image. Always remember your source file first, src. Take an example as a src. If it is written src, it means source. Okay. html.png, my file which was saved in the folder. Now take an example. I'm going to show another thing here. I'm going to do the another thing here. अगर मैं इस इमेज फाइल को इस फोल्डर से हटा के बाहर ले जाता हूं, इस फोल्डर के बाहर, यानी कि डॉक्यूमेंट्स html2, यहां पर अगर मैं ये डालता हूं और इसका नाम मैं देता हूं html2. ओके. So the destination is now changed. So in this case you have to always copy this whole location. ये पूरी लोकेशन आपको कॉपी करनी पड़ेगी and I'm going to simply copy this and then copy the same thing, but you have to give the complete location. So कैसे आप लोकेशन पूरा देंगे? Simply click on the image and then right click, go to the properties and go to the location bar and simply copy this one, Control C, and then click here src and paste here. Now it is not completed yet. Now we have to give the Now you have to give the backslash. Now you have to give the html2.png. It was saved as a html2.png. So now I'm going to refresh this and see if it is working or not. html2.png. Oh, pardon me. You have to give the file same as it is. So I'm going to refresh again. So it was html space 2.png. But before I have already not given the space here, जिसके कारण वो इमेज नहीं दिखाता. However, आपको सेम जैसा आपने फाइल में देखा है या अपना आपने जैसे फाइल को सेव किया है वैसे ही आपको वहां पर दिखाना होगा. So now moving forward, html.2.png, and as you can see, one file is linked to the inside from this folder and one file is linked from this folder, which is in a documents in another folder. So this is how, in a simple way, you can see this is how your HTML links and your HTML image tag works. So in next tutorial, we are going to see some another tags and some another elements or attributes. For now, this is good. Got it? Get it? Good. See you again.